This is a 2016 Lexus IS200 Turbo. We're going to do a axle back system, take the rear mufflers off, put some nice Magnaflows, some different custom tips on it. We're also going to delete the mid resonator pipes, but leave it all stock coming off the turbo. And we'll get back to you to see what it sounds like. Okay, so you can see we swapped out the mufflers in the back. Got the nice 4-inch burnt tips on there. The Magnaflow mufflers. We did the resonator deletes. Left it stock coming up front. Factory cap still on there. Let's see what it sounds like.